Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a bead unboxing for you from the Bargain Bead Box. I am very excited to do this. This is for December of 2023. I did look at it already, because you know me, I can't, I'm a kid in a candy store. So let's see, it's called Sparkling Snowflake Collection. And it's got Apatite, Crackled Agate, Moonstone. It says, it's a winter wonderland. An Apatite teardrop pendant is this month's centerpiece with microfaceted 3mm Apatite rounds, a strand of 8mm blue agate, and dyed tiger iron to match. Icy accents of crystals, glass, and gemstones combined with a set of snowy silver findings to complete the collection. So I'm very excited about this. Make sure the lighting is good. I feel like it's not. Ooh, these are cool. Oh, I like those little fans. These are different. I've never seen these before. It's got a lot of goodies. One thing, because it's, oh, these are pretty. Top teardrop. I'm probably not going to do anything Christmassy. I'm probably going to put away the Christmas stuff when I do a tutorial, because it's Christmas is in like 15 days, 16 days. So steel cut laser triple snowflake. Oh, this is cool. So I will put these away to make jewelry for next year, like these pretty little snowflakes. I don't think I'm going to use them for anything. I'm going to make something though with the stuff, but I probably, I don't know, we'll see. Let me get everything, oh, look at that. Let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in crystal AB, 13 inches, and these are regularly $3.99. These are very pretty. These are really pretty. They have a nice sharp cut to the edges, which make it sparkle. Yes, you could, just with this alone, if you have like a 6.5 inch wrist, you could do a double bracelet with this. So pretty. Okay, I'm not going in the order of the list because everything is on the packages. So I'm just gonna do it like this. So next is 8mm London blue agate dyed heated round beads, 14.5 inches. These are regularly $9.99. These are really pretty. I like blue with silver. These are really pretty. You know I'm going to add another color to this mix, though. I'm not sure yet which one, but I'm known for that. So these are really, really pretty. Okay. And next we have a 3mm Apatite faceted round beads, 7.5 inches, and it says it's $6.99. These are really pretty. That crystal, it's sparkly. It's gorgeous. So I love these. Okay, and next are the 13 by 9 millimeter glass top drilled teardrop beads, crystal AB, 5.5 inches, and it says these are $2.99. Okay. Oh. Okay, some of them are off the wire. But, so these are how they are. They're top drilled. Let's see if I can put a couple up. 1, 2, and 3. That's how they are. And if you put them together, you know, if you tighten them up, you can have them crisscross like that. I did that with an earring, and it was really cool because it had a little zigzag like that. These are really pretty, though. You get a lot of these. And next we have 20 by 12 millimeter swirled tagle clasp antique silver, 4 sets for $1.99. These are pretty. I use these too, like to hang pendants and stuff. I don't always use them for tagle clasps. I mean, these would be pretty too to hang something and make a pair of earrings out of it. Looks like they're the same on both sides too. Yeah, you can get creative with these. You don't have to always use them for just as toggles. These look, oh, these make pretty little focal points of a necklace. Okay, I'm gonna do this pendant because this is gorgeous. So this is approximately 39 millimeter apatite teardrop pendant is $7.99. Oh, this is, look at the veining in that. This is really pretty. Holes up there at the top. I'm sure each one of these is different, you know, in everybody's box. Just, you know, things like this, you don't always get the exact same thing. Okay, and next is 10 millimeter tiger iron dyed round beads, 7 inches for $5.99. Oh, these are pretty. You got like a greenish cast. They have some like, almost like a caramel color veining in them. And they've got a little bit of sparkle to them too. Really unique color. They're like a teal color, a greenish, some teal and others. These would be really pretty. Can't wait to work with these. Okay. The next is 6 millimeter crackled agate dyed heated frosted round beads, 13 inches. They were $6.99. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. Got that really cool matte look, and you can see the veining in them. I don't know if you could see with the camera this close. But yeah, they're all different. Each one is just a little different. These are cool because I like to have some sparkly and some matte in my jewelry, just so it has tons of different textures and looks to it. That's what makes a piece of jewelry unique. We got that. Then we have, this is really cool. It's just one. 20 was that 28 by 11 millimeter stainless steel laser cut triple snowflake link, $3.99. That's really pretty. That's the other side. It's nice and it's thick too. And next are 14 by 12 millimeter platinum plated brass snowflake cutout charms, 2 pieces for $3.99. These are really pretty. These would make pretty earrings. You know, I liked it. I think it was last year when Bargain Bead Box sent us, they sent us the Christmas stuff in November instead of December. Because I know Christmas is in December, but when you get it in November, you have time to make it and work with it and, you know, give it out to friends or put it up on Etsy or whatever you do with your jewelry, you know. So those are really pretty. And now we have 2 12 millimeter stainless steel snowflake cutout links, 2 pieces for $1.99. These are cool, and they're the same on both sides. Yeah, really pretty. These could be connectors for a necklace or for a bracelet or even for a pair of earrings. And next, these are pretty. 6 by 7 millimeter hematite man-made snowflake beads, silver, 20 pieces for $3.99. These are really pretty. These are really pretty. And let me find the holes. So 1, 2, 3. Let's do 3. So they're the same on both sides. These make great little spacers though for Christmas jewelry, for sure. Okay. And next is 8 millimeter Moonstone glass round beads, frosted aqua, 7.5 inches for, I think that's a $5.99. Oh, these are pretty. We call these mermaid beads too. A really pretty look to them. I love the sparkle on these. And next is 5 by 2 millimeter Rondell spacer beads, lead free, nickel free, cadmium free, 10 grams, $2.99. These are nice spacers. Okay, and then our little bead caps. 8 millimeter 6 petal bead. I think that's a 6 petal bead caps. Lead nickel cadmium free, 40 pieces, $2.99. There's a couple different kinds. Oh no, there aren't. That's the front. It's got like a little. And then that's the back. So it does have a different look to it. Very cool. Oh, we're still going. I think we got 3 more left. Next are 14 by 8.5 millimeter crystal faceted twist beads. Slate blue iris, 10 pieces for $3.99. These are always really fun. Look at these. They're so cool. The sparkle on them. Let's put them on a head pin. You can kind of see. The way they look. Really pretty. It's cool how the shape, because of the twist, the shape changes as the bead turns. So first it looks fat, and then it looks thinner. And next is 22 by 20 millimeter teal coated fan pendant, lead nickel cadmium free, 2 pieces, $1.99. These are really cool. I love these. They're the same on both sides. Definitely going to be using these. And last but not least, our usual chain that we always get. They always send us some kind of chain, which is nice. And they have different chains, sometimes paperclip chain. 3x2mm stainless steel curb chain, 1 meter, $3.99. This is just basic chain, but you can do a lot with this. You can use this for layering necklaces and bracelets, so you can intertwine it with beads. You can hang beads from it. There's a lot you can do. So this was a really pretty box. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And please like, share, and subscribe to my, like, and share my channel. I really appreciate all of you watching and taking time out of your busy day. And I have the links below to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest if you want to follow me in there. I will leave a link to Bargain Bead Box in case if you're not familiar with it. I think everybody is, but you never know. So, yeah, so look forward to a couple tutorials from these beauties, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.